Hi, this is Irina, buyer's representative with Moskito Real Estate, and today join me in a development located inside of one of the most beautiful gated communities in Playa del Carmen, Corazon, Lorena Ochoa.
Lorena Ochoa has the ideal location for anyone looking to invest in a residential golf course community with a beautiful beach just minutes away. This one-bedroom condo is listed below the market price and is the perfect opportunity to invest in Playa del Carmen. Lorena Ochoa is a turnkey apartment, sold fully furnished and equipped. All you'll need to do is pack a bag and you'll be home. This is why you should buy Lorena Ochoa. It has the best amenities of all the gated communities in Playa del Carmen and one of the best beaches in town. It's quiet and peaceful and the perfect place to live for someone who likes to play golf. Plus, you're just a 5-minute drive to downtown Playa del Carmen and the vibrant 5th Avenue.
Please contact us directly by email or subscribe to our YouTube channel.